Good afternoon, Reena.
Good afternoon.
Fine. So we finished the chapter 8. Sorry, chapter 9, right? The resources. So we finished the chapter 9. Now we are moving to the next chapter, that is fabric around us. What is it? Fabric around us. Okay. It's about clothing, the fibers, weaves and all. Hmm? So, what is the importance of cloth, Reena? What's the importance?
Use where we
Hmm?
what
Reena? Try. What is the importance of a cloth?
what we wear.
Ah, that is cloth. Why we need cloth, Reena?
Uh,
To get protection, right? To get protection from some serious weather conditions and all. Protection from summer, protection from cold. Then, then, sometimes a cloth that gives you confidence, right? Certain clothes that gives you confidence. Then anything else related to cloth? Just tell anything, anything related to clothes, fabrics, and all. What comes to your mind if you think about clothes and fabrics and all? Just try, Reena. Just try. No problem. Hmm? The cloth that gives you protection, it gives confidence, and it protection from the
it gives us beauty.
right. It's a fashion. It's a beauty. That's all about cloth. Hmm? Without cloth, you can leave, Reena. No. So earlier times, how was the cloth? Earlier times, in ancient times, how was it?
It was like leaves and there's animal skins
They collected the leaves and they made the
and
clothes.
animal skins.
Good, fine. So let's move on to the first one. That is, it's a new term, right? All are new terms. So just write down. First is fiber. What do you mean by fiber? Just a minute. What is a fiber? Fiber means it is a hair-like substance that is the basis of all yarns and fabrics. So fiber means it is a hair-like substance, just like as a thin hair. Hmm? Just like as a thin thread. That is fiber. It's a hair-like substance. It looks similar to a hair. Okay. Three, sir. Three. No, only one, sir. They are not feeling well, sir. One having migraine and all. They are not feeling. Okay. So these are the new terms in fashion. The fiber, yarn, and fabric. The fiber means it's a hair-like substance. What is it? It is a hair-like substance. That is the smallest unit of cloth construction. That is the smallest unit of cloth construction. Just a minute, Reina. Just a minute. Okay. Just write down the definition. Fine. So fiber is a hair-like substance. It is the smallest unit of a fabric. The very smallest unit of a fabric. So the fabric is made from the fiber. Okay. From the fiber, we made the fabrics or the clothes. That is fiber. Just like as this. Okay. This is a fiber. Or a thread. That is fiber. Okay. Then yarn. What is a yarn? Yarn means these fibers are we twisted together. We take two fibers and then we twist these fibers. We take two fibers and then
Ma'am,
we,
ma'am, like threads are called yarns.
no,
Threads.
no. It's different.
Okay.
The threads are all be made from these fibers and all, from the wool, silk and all. It's different. So this is a fiber. We take two fibers and we twisted it together. We twist it together, so we get yarn. Okay. That is, first one is fiber. It is a basic unit. And then yarn. These fibers, we take the fibers and we twisted it together. That is called as yarns. The fibers that are twisted together. That is yarn. And then fabric. Fabric means the material made by joining the yarns. Fiber means joining the fiber. Yarn means we join the fibers. And fabric means we join the yarn to make a fiber. Fabric. Okay. Is it clear, Reina? So, just a minute. This is fiber, yarn, then cloth, textile. Okay. The yarn is made from fiber. The yarn is made from fiber. The cloth is made by yarn and textile is made by cloth. Okay, is it clear, Reina? Is it clear now? The yarn, how the yarn is created or how the yarn is made, we just twisted the two fibers together, so we get the yarn. The hair-like substance, the simple thread, that is fiber. When we twist that fiber into different shapes, that is yarn. And by using the yarn, we made the clothes and textiles. Is it clear? Okay. So just look at this. What is it? This is a fiber. We collect the fiber from cotton. Is it clear now? This is a fiber. And then we move on to the yarn. So we get the thread-like substance. And then fabric. Fabric is like a satin, twill. That is a fabric. Any doubts, Reina? No. Then, so on the basis of, we can classify these fibers. Fibers means the smallest unit of fabrics. We can classify the fiber on the basis of length and on the basis of origin. We can classify the fibers on the basis of length and on the basis of origin. One is the basis of length and on the basis of origin. So first we are going to learn how we can classify the fiber on the basis of length. According to the length, the fiber is classified into two, that is staple fiber and filament fiber. What is it? Staple fiber and filament fiber. Note down the spelling.
Ma'am, it's length based.
Yeah, it's length based. We can classify the fiber on the basis of two factors. One is on the basis of length and other is on the basis of origin. The first is on the basis of length. First, we are going to look how we can classify the fiber on the basis of length. So, there are two types of fibers. That is staple fiber. What is the spelling? S-T-A-P-L-E. Staple fiber and filament fiber. Staple fiber and filament fiber. So, what is a staple fiber? What do you mean by staple fiber? Staple fibers are the short ones. Staple fibers are, it's according to the length, right? So, staple fibers are very short fibers. Short fibers are called as staple fibers. Fibers with finite length. You can write the definition. Staple fibers. Fibers with finite length. What do you mean by finite length? Relatively, the short length. Okay, that is finite. So, staple fibers means fibers with finite length. Note down. They are called as staple fibers and these are measured in inches. It is very important. Staple fibers are measured in inches. They are measured in inches. So on the basis of the length, the fibers are classified into two, that is staple fiber and filament fiber. So what first is staple fiber according to the length, right? So staple fibers means the fibers are short. The short fibers, the very short fibers are called as staple fibers, like this. You can see the picture, right? Staple fibers. It's a small fibers. Is it clear? That is staple fiber. And these fibers are measured in inches. We can measure in inches, meters, centimeters and all, right? So staple fibers are usually measured in inches. Then the next one is filament fiber. According to the length or the basis of length, we classify the fibers into two, that is staple and filament. Staple means short fibers. Filament fiber means they have unlimited length. They have unlimited length or infinite length. Fibers with infinite length are called as filament fibers. Fibers with infinite length. Okay. And they are measured in meters. This is a difference. They are measured in meters. These filament fibers are measured in meters. Staple fibers are measured in inches and filament fibers are measured in meters. Staple fibers are the short fibers. Filament fibers are the long fibers or the unlimited fibers. You can see the picture, right? It's like this. It's a continuous one or a long fiber. That is a filament fiber. Is it clear, Reena? Okay. So, what is a yarn? Yarn. What is this? Huh?
Yarn.
It's a fiber.
Fiber.
So we take the two fibers and then we twist these fibers. That is yarn. The fibers are twisted together. That is called as yarn. Okay. Then fibers are how they look like.
Hair-like.
Yeah, they are hair-like structure. They have a hair-like structure. Then on the basis of length and on the basis of origin, we classify the fiber into two. On the basis of length, it is staple fiber and filament fiber. That is it, staple fiber and filament fiber. Staple fiber means the fibers with finite length and they are measured in inches. They are measured in inches. And the second one is filament fiber. They are measured in meters and they are the unlimited ones. Okay. Just summarize it. Reena, just summarize. Just summarize the fiber classification on the basis of length. Try.
Fiber in the basis of length. So staple fiber and filament fiber. Staple. S-T-A-P-L.
It's correct. Be confident. Staple fiber. Then
Filament. F.
That's okay. Filament fiber. Then what is a staple fiber and a filament fiber?
Staple fiber are measured in inches.
Just
in inches and it is it is short ones.
Staple fiber. What about the staple fiber?
Finite length measured in inches
Yeah, they are finite in length. Finite means,
Short ones.
yeah, the short ones. And they are measured in inches, right?
Yes.
Very good. Then the next one is
Filament fiber.
filament fiber. What about the filament fiber?
They're measured in meters.
Very good. Measured in meters. Then,
They're infinite in length.
very good. Infinite length.
Um,
Okay, fine. So then we divided these filament fibers into two. On the base of length, we classify the fiber into two, that is staple fiber and filament fiber. And these filament fibers or the long fibers or infinite fibers, we again divided these fibers into two. They are monofilament fiber, and multifilament fiber. So on the base of length, we classify the fiber or the hair-like substance into two. That is staple fiber, which means short fibers, and filament means long fibers. Staple S, right? Rena? Staple S. So here S, the short fibers. Both are starting with S. Then filament fiber. Filament fibers means long length, or they are infinite in length. These filament fibers is again classified into two, monofilament fiber and multifilament fiber. Okay, Raina? Monofilament fiber and multifilament fiber. So, what do you mean by a monofilament fiber? Monofilament fiber. That is made from a single fiber. Monofilament fiber means mono. What is the meaning of mono? Mono means one. Very good. So what is a monofilament? It is made from a single fiber. Monofilament fiber means mono. That means one. It made from a single fiber. You need to learn this all by heart, okay? By heart the portions. So monofilament fibers means it is made from a single fiber. Mono, single fiber. And as the name says, multi-filament fiber means multi-filament. Multi means more than one, right? So it is made from more fibers. It is made from more fibers. Okay. Monofilament means you can write down. Monofilament fiber. It is made from a single fiber. It's made from a single fiber. Then multi-filament fiber. It is made from many fibers. It's made from many fibers. The monofilament fibers are made from single fibers. But that doesn't matter. They are very strong. They are very strong. The monofilament fibers are very strong. They are very strong and soft. Monofilament fibers. They are very strong and soft. Monofilament. So we classify the fibers on the basis of length, that is staple fiber and filament fiber. And these filament fibers is again classified into two, that is monofilament fiber and multifilament fiber. Monofilament fiber means that is made using a single fiber. They are very strong and soft. These fibers are very strong and soft. The next one is multi-filament fiber, which means it is made by or it's made from many fibers. That is multi-filament. They are also very soft and they are durable. Multi-filament fibers, because we made it from different fibers. So it has more durability, soft and durable. Okay? Try, Reina. Summarize the filament fibers. Reina?
And monofilament, multifilament. Monofilament contains a single fiber. It's strong and it is strong and it's soft also. And multifilament, it is made up of many fiber, and
Great.
they are soft and they are durable.
Very good. Very good, Reina. Then we are going to the origin. So we finished the lengthwise. How we classify the fibers on the basis of length. The next is on the basis of origin. So on the basis of origin, we classify the fiber into three, which are the natural fiber, man-made fiber, and blended fiber. Note down, Reina. Fibers based on origin. We classify the fibers on the basis of origin. That is natural fiber, man-made fibers, and animal fiber. Natural fiber, blended fiber, and man-made fiber. Which are the natural fibers? Vegetable fiber, animal fiber, and mineral fibers. So these natural fibers are again classified into three, that is vegetable fiber, animal fiber, and mineral fibers. Vegetable, animal, and mineral fibers. Okay. Then the second is man-made fiber. Man-made fibers mean the fibers that the man create by man. That is man-made fiber. There are of three types. That is regenerated fiber, synthetic fiber, and metal fiber. Man-made fibers are of three types: regenerated fiber, synthetic fiber, and metal fibers. Regenerated, synthetic, and metal. Then one more is there, that is blended fiber. So on the basis of origin, we classify the fibers into three, that is natural fiber, man-made fiber, and blended fiber. Which are they? Natural fiber, man-made fibers, and blended fibers. These natural fibers is again classified into three: vegetable fiber, animal fiber, and mineral fibers. Vegetable, animal, and minerals. Then man-made fibers, that is regenerated fiber, synthetic fiber, and metal fiber. Is it confusing, Reina? Okay. So one more is there, that is blended fiber. So just summarize the first one on the base of length. Just classify, not summarize, just classify. How is it? On the base of length.
On the basis of length, it's
Hmm.
filament and staple.
Sorry, Reina?
On the basis of length, it's filament and staple.
Very good. Staple fiber and filament fiber. Then
The staple fiber, it's short
that's okay. That's okay. Filament fibers is a long fibers. Then these filament fibers is again classified into two. Which are they?
Monofilament and multifilament.
Good. Okay. Then on the base of origin, how is it?
Origin is on the basis of origin, natural fiber, blended fiber, and man-made fiber.
Which are the natural fibers?
Vegetable fiber, animal fiber.
One more is there.
Mineral fiber.
Very good. Then man-made fibers. In man-made fibers, which are they?
Man-made, regenerated, synthetic, metal fiber.
Regenerated, synthetic, and metal fibers. Okay. So next is natural fiber on the base of origin. What do you mean by a natural fibers? As the name says, the fibers that obtained from nature. That is natural fibers, or from the plants, like this cotton. You can see the picture, right? Cotton is a Natural fiber, wool, silk, all these are the natural fibers. The fibers that obtained from the nature directly or indirectly. The fibers that we take from the nature. That is natural fibers. Okay. Then, what is a vegetable fiber? Do you know, Reena? What is a vegetable fiber? Hmm?
Jute,
Reena?
jute, jute,
Huh. What is it? What do you mean by vegetable fibers? You can see jute, hemp, flax, and all.
from
What is a
plants,
vegetable fiber?
plants.
From plants. Okay. So the vegetable fibers means the fibers that we obtain from various parts of the plants. Various parts of plants. Okay. What is vegetable fiber?
The things that obtained from the plants.
Various parts of plant. Just a minute. So, vegetable fiber means the fibers that we obtain from various parts of plants. Which are the vegetable fibers, Reina? Do you have any idea? Vegetable fibers.
Uh,
Reina, it's not clear.
jute,
Hmm.
hemp, uh, jute,
Ah, good. Jute.
hemp,
Jute is collected from the skin of the plant. Okay, skin. Jute is collected from the skin of the plant. Then,
hemp,
hmm. Then,
flax,
common ones. Cotton, right? Where can we get cotton?
plant,
From which part?
on the bud part, the flower one.
The seeds. It's in a pod, right? The cotton is. So, seeds, from the seeds. And next, coir. Coir is from?
Coconut,
So, coconut is a?
root,
So, vegetable fibers means the fibers that we obtain from plants, the various parts of the plants. It can be from the skin of the plant, it can be from the seeds, fruits, and all. Examples, what are the examples? Jute, cotton, coir, all these are the vegetable fibers. Okay. Then, next is after the vegetable fiber, what's it?
animal,
So, what is an animal fiber?
wool,
Definition. The fiber that obtained from animals.
animals,
Vegetable fibers means the fibers that obtained from plants. Animal fibers means the fibers that obtained from animals. Wool is obtained from where? Wool.
sheep,
Sheep, not only sheep, goat, camel, and all. Okay.
duck,
Then silk. Silk is also an animal fiber. Silk is obtained from silkworm.
silkworm,
These are the examples of animal fibers like wool, silk, and all. Is it clear? That is animal fibers. The fibers that obtained from animals like sheep and all. The wool comes mainly from the fleece of sheep. What is fleece?
hair,
Hair. The hair of the sheep. What is the spelling? FLEECE. Fleece of the sheep. That is an animal fiber. One more natural fiber is there. What is it? Vegetable fiber, animal fiber, and
mineral fiber,
mineral fiber. So what do you mean by a mineral fiber? Mineral fiber.
made from the minerals,
What is it? What is this, Reina?
asbestos,
Asbestos. This is a rock. It's a rock. It's a piece of rock. You can see the fibers here. You can see the fibers? No, it's a rock, right? In rock, how can you find the fibers?
Draw the next picture.
Yeah. Through a microscope, we can see the fibers like this. So asbestos is the one and only natural fiber that we have. What is it? Asbestos. The only naturally occurring mineral fiber, that is asbestos. These asbestos are mainly made up of a silicate compounds that contain silicon and oxygen. Okay, the asbestos. Asbestos is the only mineral fiber, just not that one. Asbestos is the only natural mineral fiber. Is it clear? Then we have man-made fibers, right? Then we have man-made fibers. Which are the man-made fibers? What do you mean by man-made fiber, Reena? Man-made fiber.
The fibers that made by human being.
Man-made fibers. What is a man-made fiber? The fiber that obtained or created by the man by some artificial methods, not naturally. That is a man-made fiber. The structure, composition, everything we changed in a chemical process. We changed that things in a chemical process. That is a man-made fibers. Everything is in a chemical form or an artificial form. Which are the three man-made fibers?
Rayon.
Three divisions of man-made fibers. We classify the man-made fibers into three, right? What's it? Read.
Regenerative fiber, synthetic fiber, and metal fiber.
So, what is a regenerated fiber? Do you know? Regenerated fibers. Fibers that are made from the polymers, that naturally occurring polymers. Okay, then we give some chemical changes and all. That is a regenerated fiber. Okay, the basic thing is obtained, the basic thing that we obtained from the nature, and then we give some modifications or some changes or some artificial changes to that polymer, that then it is called as regenerated fiber. Is it clear, Reena? Regenerated fiber means fibers, right? Fibers that are made of polymers naturally. Fibers that are made of polymers naturally. That is regenerated fiber. Regenerated fiber.
Regenerative fiber.
So, what is it?
Um,
Fibers that made of polymers that do not occur naturally. The fibers that we made using the polymers in a chemical form. The polymers are not from the nature. We create the polymers for the synthetic fiber. Everything is in an artificial manner. The basis all are the synthetic fibers. Fibers are made of polymers that do not occur naturally. That is synthetic fiber. Fibers are made of polymers that do not occur naturally. That is synthetic fiber. One more is there. That is metal fiber, like the wires of gold, silver, aluminium, all. That is metal fibers. They are metals, right? Aluminium and all. That is metal fibers. Is it clear? Any doubt, Reena? Simple portion, right? Just summarize. Just summarize. I'll help you.
From the basis of origin.
Fine, fine. That's okay. So,
Like or the full the part or the basis of origin.
it's okay. It's okay. Fine. So,